Alright, now another program that we can do for the switches is just go hybrid terminal, wait for it, go to high 2, it's any name you can choose, click OK and then OK again, restore defaults, OK, go to properties. You have to do it every time you shut the program off, or you just close it. Go to settings, okay, SCII setup, click on append, click OK, OK, and yes, it's in capital. Now, if there are some programs already installed into the memory of the machine, you can just simply remove them, delete them all by the word or the two letters actually, X all, two words, which means delete all, click enter, and then X save, which should save the changements that you made, X save. Now it means that all of the programs that are already inside the machine have been deleted. You just turn it off and turn it on again, power off and power on, one more time, and you should start from the beginning. So in order for you to do the switches that we can see over here, can you just show? Yeah, in order to do the switches, we need to, I just put them all to 0, just like that. In order to actually key in the program for the switches, one very important program or that includes parameters of the switches has to be keyed in earlier, which is a program of the name or by the title XD127. XD127, then ES4, you can follow the manuals for that, SN50, XT, and X save. You can see whether the program has been uploaded or not. XU127 is your dead. Then you go on, let's say a basic program for a forward direction of the machine using the switches. Okay, first one is let's XD1, and then you just go OT, and then the number of switches we have here 3, and one is power. So let's say 100. The first one has to be on, the second twos have to be 0, and then you just give it the speed or the relative value that you want the machine to move, MR 5000 in the forward direction, click enter and then go, and then you have to key in OT000. Just it's much better for you to do that to eliminate the whole buttons in this type of programming. It just works like that. And then XT, ending the program, X save should save the program into the memory of the machine. Now you can check whether the program has been uploaded or not. XU1. Yes, it has been uploaded. Let's go and try whether it'll work or not into this one. I think let's just consider it. First one is on, second two are off, and should, as you can see, there is nothing. The buttons are not even working because you can't see anything on the screen. Simple fix for this one is just turn it on and turn it off again, machines. And on again. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it worked. If you can see, I just clicked on this one it moved it to that specific speed. We did it 2 times, so 50 plus 50 is 100. Another thing that you can do actually is if you made a mistake or the switches were not on the proper order that you have keyed in the program earlier, you will get actually a question mark. So do like this, for example, 0 1 0. There's no program by this number, and you key in and off again, you can get here as a question mark because it tells you the machine is not ready for it to have this type of value. There is no program by this name, so it simply shows a question mark. We can do actually home or perform homing, which actually takes the machine into the home position. This is the home sensor, forward, reverse. Now this is the home for the program needed for this one for the machine. Wherever it is in this program or in this machine, it has to go back to this place. So this is like a simple program we can have for this one to move the machine right into this place, no matter where it is located or currently stopped or whatever inside this or on this machine. So simple programming for the home is actually, let's just say or key in XD0. I'll tell you later why we did that. XD0 HM. HM is the whole thing that you need to do to ask the machine to go directly to the home position, which is beside the home sensor. And then XT, end of program, and then X save, which means it's done already. So X save is done. Click enter to see whether it has been uploaded or not. XU 0, it has been uploaded. You can run the machine by simply XR0 and click enter, and you'll see that the machine has to move. It'll go anywhere until it reaches home position and it stops there. One good trick that I told you about is why we entered or why we keyed in the value of 0 for home is because we can do this one. Now, all of them being at the bottom, it means that all of them are 0. And this is a very good way to actually include home or perform home without having to include the sensor. It just loads or it's uploaded into the machine just like that. So you key in all of them 0, and then you turn it on. It should actually move to home button. We can't see that because it's already in the home position. So just turn it off and we move it to any value. We already have it inside. So 100 should move it 50 to forward. Exactly. So we just go back all of them. Okay, we just go back all of them on the button. It should go to the home position. That's it. Thank you very much.